Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and we hope you've enjoyed our Monday show and now a little bit about Tuesday. We've got a lot coming up on the news side with Winston Norman, and we'll jump over to Winston for the headlines and be right back.
Good Tuesday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. And here are the headlines for today. Redefine and Griffin have joined forces in the growing Polish self-storage market. Kaufland has opened its first retail park in Bulgaria. Master Build has completed a logistic hall for VGP in Bucharest. And CTP is developing a further 58,000 square meters at CTP Park, Sopot in the Czech Republic.
So welcome back. Thank you for joining us on this Tuesday morning in the Coffee with Craig show. We have a lot of exciting things coming up with our Baltic Real Estate Awards, which of course includes Poland, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, the Scandinavia region, Nordics. Anything touching the Baltic Sea, a lot of investment opportunities, a lot of development opportunities going on. Office, warehouse, retail, executive living, luxury living, a little bit about the ports and logistics. So many things happening there. We'll discuss it more as the week goes on. But definitely, if you have not signed up yet or you're not part of the event yet, let us know. We also have an exciting panel on hotel development as well. Where are the options? Where are the opportunities for investors, and also what brands should be there, and what level? 3-star, 4-star, 5-star. Lots going on. So join us on May 25th in Sopot, which is in the Tri-City area in Poland. Great hotel. We're there at the Radisson Blue Hotel, and you can check out the website, which is you can either send me a message or check out the website BalticRealEstateAwards.com. So enjoy the rest of the day, and we will see you on Wednesday. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Europa Property Baltic Real Estate Awards, May 25th, held in the beautiful beachside city of Sopot, which is part of the Tri-City area on the Polish Baltic coast at the Radisson Blue Hotel. Countries covered in the awards include the Baltics, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Scandinavia and the Nordics, Denmark, Finland, Sweden, Norway, as well as Germany, and of course Poland. Book your tickets, sponsorships, and place your nominations now on our website, and feel free to email me for more details.
Thanks, Craig. And now we'll go to the main headlines and news stories of the day. And Redefine Properties and Griffin Capital Partners have set up a joint venture to acquire Stokado, which is Poland's second largest self-storage operator. And according to Andrew Koenig, he's the CEO of Redefine Properties, he sees plenty of upside in the self-storage space market, and as Poland's economy continues to grow, and it shows exciting growth potential. And he says this deal leverages the strengths of all parties and opens the door to expansion, diversity, and growth, in line with Redefine's focus on allocating capital into areas with upside at low risk. And Neville Senman, managing partner at Griffin, he says Poland has less than 4,000 square meters of self-storage space per million residents, compared to roughly 8,500 in Germany and around 22,000 in France or Spain. We believe the sector offers vast growth opportunities. And David Bechitsky, the co-founder of Stokado, he says, our goal is to develop 50 new storage buildings over the next 5 years, focusing on major cities throughout Poland and becoming the #1 leader in this sector. Moving to Bulgaria, and Kaufland has opened its first retail park in the country, situated in the southwestern city of Sandanski. This retail park spans over 5,000 square meters, and the German retail chain has invested over 1 million euros in the outdoor retail area. The main tenant is the Polish company Pepco. Moving to Romania, and Master Build has completed a new 14,500 square meter warehouse park for VGP in Stefaneski in northern Bucharest. The new building, Hall D, is intended for warehousing activity and will be leased to operators in sectors such as distribution and the logistics segment. And according to Stefan Ferdinand, the CEO of Master Build, we are glad that we can contribute in generating added value in the local logistics and industrial market, that we can contribute to the development of a still very dynamic sector. And finally for today, CTP has leased two warehouses to French automotive supplier Velio and to Austrian logistics transport provider Rabin at CTP Park Serhovitz in the Czech Republic. Velio has taken around 7,000 square metres on a 10-year lease, and Rabin has taken around 5,000 square metres also on a 10-year lease. And CTP hopes to develop another 58,000 square metres in the park between now and the end of 2024. And according to Jacob Kodor, Head of Business Development at CTP in the Czech Republic, these two units will provide Rabin and Valio with state-of-the-art facilities that will support the further growth of their businesses. And those are the highlights of the news from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. For more news, please join me again tomorrow.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.